Hello everyone, Hatabali for Objection back again in the newest as we always promise. Today we're gonna talk about how to changing a tire in a tube inside the hoverboard 10 inch. This is I'm in Ukraine, a garbage country as you know. Roads are sucks and full of spikes and dirtiness. Uh, I came here to this country to treat my eyes and I decided to grab my hoverboard with me. Anyway, I didn't know that this country is garbage like this and have sucks roads so much like this. The my tire of my wife hoverboard got spike, and the spike looks like he entered so deep, so he touched the any troop and he fuck it. Uh, I think, and I will try it now, that we don't need to put out the cover and without tire to change it. I'm not gonna change it, honestly. It's the first time I do this. We don't need to open this spikes, as I understand. We don't need. I was just going to take the inner tube and I'm gonna take it to shop. I will let him fix the hole. They put something like plaster, it's made from gum, and they make it by hot, so he catch well. Because why I have to change it? It's gonna cost, and for nothing. I mean, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to try to grab it. I brought 2 spoons. Yeah, I will try to, you know, honestly, guys, by one hand holding phone is gonna be hard. Uh, um, yeah, come on. I I forget to buy holder for phone that I can put him and try to do it anyway. Let me put the phone here. I hope he will not stop recording. I will try to grab it out. Yeah, like this, and then take the other one, and then I will try to walk now to grab it out. Ah, by the way, don't forget to move this. Oh, motherfucker. Fucking country garbage as fuck. The most sucks roads that I ever saw in my life here in Ukraine. Yeah, by the way, I may try to. Hmm, where is this fucking Nike bumper? Hmm, try to pull over the air. Anyway, whatever. I was trying to pull over the air from the tire. Oh shit, I don't know. It's gonna be a nice idea or no. And they don't have here fixers for hoverboard, or anything about this. I left America, I die. Honestly, I left America, I die. Oh shit, I don't know. I think I'm doing shitty idea, but motherfucker. I will try to grab this shit out and without tire fix them back. This is the idea. I mean, sorry for video wasn't so much as I want. No one hold with me phone, as you see I'm staying alone. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the unexplaining. All you have to do, put spoon without this up, do it like this, that you without this tire up, put her and take her like this, that you without this tire up, put out the end tube from inside, take it to fix her and back it again, put it and close. This all you have to do. This is, you don't need to open it, you don't need to without cover to open tire. Thanks for watching. Peace. Oh yes, I did it. I grabbed this up. Sorry, I'm holding one hand, I can't show you guys. I hold it, I grab it up by my hand, put spoon here, put spoon there, and grab it up like this. And now you try to grab it out. I will take it now to fixer. I will let him put for me this plaster. And here, be careful. Here, put this up. Grab this up here, and put out it. Open it like this and put out. That's all. I will back to you another. I will continue the video after I will show you. Now I will fill it air and I will put it inside water to figure where is the hole. And I will take it to fixer and then I will back it here. I will show you how to put it back. It's easy. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, I put out it from my hoverboard and as you see I full it air. Here hoverboard is wait, let me open for you flash that you can see. Yes, here I grab it, I grab this out, I put out her, and now I'll take her to fix her. I figure where is the hole. It looks like spike. It was something like this fucking city or fucking country. Where is it? Yeah, here. The air now is outing from here, as you see here. Yeah, can you see a hole here? Yeah, this is exactly here. This one I will show you here exactly. Now air is out, I feel it in my finger. So I will take it to fixer. Now he will in this one for wheel, he will fill it for me. He will put here like something like plaster and he will iron it, I think. Then he will give it to me. I will empty air, I will put it back, and that's it. The problem solved. This could happen to anything: hoverboard, mono wheel, Segway, mini Segway, any kind of the smart balance could happen here. But here it's not happened to my hoverboard, but it's happened to my wife hoverboard. It's okay, whatever. Now let's solve this problem. And this is about how changing wheel for hoverboard. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey guys, we're back again and we fixed the tire as we say. I take it to fixer and he etched the layer and he put for me the scotch for the hole. But he told me that my wheel from inside, my layer here, from where is now we fix it. Let me open flash here. Where I fixed it now, it's itched. You know, it's scratched. You know, itch. He said for me this is will fuck tire soon. He said for me, look inside the wheel from inside. We may find damage. And I really find it. Look here. Shit, I'm holding one. Always this is my problem, you know. Wait, I will show you now. Yeah. Wait, is it? Yeah, and this is what's the reason that why my tire will. Yeah, here. Can you see? I don't know. It's appearing on the camera or no. Yeah, can you see this? This one here. You know what I will do? I will put plaster. I will put plaster for injury. I will put it here, so it's not gonna itch this tire now when I will full and they will roll together. Sorry, the roll together is not gonna itch again, and I will face the same trouble. So where is here where is the scratch? Where is the scratch here? I'm going to put plaster. You know, this one for injury. I will scotch it there for that we will stay away from any kind of damage in the future. Okay, and then I will you will put this inside here again, tire, and make sure that there is no dust. Clean it, there is no any stuff that to make it dirty, and put it. And by the way, be careful when you put it that you will not put it like this way. Sometimes he will not, you know, that you will not make it, for example, like this way. Be careful. Oh, put it well, you know, put it well, the same like this here, that you will not damage it. Put and take care, and then fill it air, and the problem solved. This is better than you change it. You don't have to. This is cost me 50 cents to fix it. Why I have to buy a new one and or change this? Not now. It's still brand new. I didn't use this hoverboard 2 months even. Just as we told you that roads here in Ukraine are sucks, full of garbage and broken roads. And this is what fucked my tire here. The broken roads. And this could happen to anything. Mini Segway, hoverboard, monowheel. Anything could happen the same. Anything by air. Even car. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe and put like and put share and put local. Peace.